everyone, Habibi here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a 3D cartoon style coin. Yes, 3D golden coin, but it has a cartoon style. Here I have a folder with this name. I have empty 3D Max file, and I also have an empty Photoshop file. This is my Photoshop here, and this is my 3D Max. We are going to start with creating a cylinder like this, and then let me check the size, radius, height. The size is okay. We can scale it up and down later whenever we need. So basically the base model of our coin will be this cylinder. Let me make it more thinner for the height. That's fine. And for the resolution, I think it is fine because we are going to make it low poly. So if we use it for our game, it won't be heavy for calculation. Okay, I'm going to make it low poly. The next step is to convert this object to editable poly. Then I click this face, the upside and the downside. Then I will find the inset here. I click this button and do it this way. Then I click the extrude, but I will click this settings button to extrude it inside, not outside like this. Okay, this is the coin base. And the next thing is to make a texture for this coin object. So here, this is my Photoshop file. I'm going to color this empty canvas here. Let me make the orangish color like this as the base color of the coin. Then I make new layer, and this one I will make a square layer with this color, a bit yellowish like this. And then I press Alt and delete. So let's say this is our first side of the coin. Let me add this marker. This is for the front side, and I'm going to make another one for the back side. On the front side, I will add a $sign . And for this side, I will type the value of the coin. For example, let's say 10. And what else? Let me just add some effect to this text layer. I will add a drop shadow. I set it to normal, opacity, and the size, the spread, the size should be 0. Distance, this is fine. I click OK, then right click this layer to copy the layer style and paste it here. And here at the bottom of the coin, I will make something just like a darker layer of, let me pick the color of this background color and I choose the darker one and I click OK. Oops, I forgot to press Alt and delete. Then what I'm going to do is to add this is fine. Here, before doing this, I will add a mask to this layer. I will add the mask to this layer and select like this. This is just for decoration, okay? I click Alt and delete, then I press Shift and I press right arrow 2 times and I do the same thing. I do it till the end. I know it is a bit boring, but it's done. And I press Ctrl Shift and S to save the file as JPEG file and click save. We are done saving the image, and here we have the coin texture JPEG image. I click drag and drop the file, the image file, to this object like this. Then now we are going to begin the UV and W unwrapping of this object. While this object is selected, let's go to this modifier list, find UVW, unwrap UVW, choose this one, then select all by pressing, choose this one and click the one of the faces, then select all, Ctrl A, then go to this edit UV, open UV editor. Here we are going to click mapping and choose flatten mapping. I click OK. Here we have this automatic UVW generated mapping, and here we choose, okay, we choose this number 1 coin texture.jpg, and here we are seeing our texture here. Let's click this first one, the upper one, and here we need to adjust this position of this. Okay, let's just place it outside first, and also this one let's put it here, and then let's select all of these entire faces here and scale it down. Just place it here this way. Then we click this one, and we position it here. I prefer the upside face to use this part. It has no difference because we can flip the coin anytime. So let's say we are going to use this one first, then for the bottom part, which is this one, drag it here. If you see the orientation of the texture is not correct, so I need to rotate this one like this. $90 I think, or what. Let me just adjust it again. We start again from the top part. This is nice, and we do the bottom one. Okay, this is nice. Then we are going to use this bottom part of the texture for this part. I've made a mistake here. If you go to see the faces, the edges of this object, I have unnecessary segments here. So what I'm going to do is to let me apply everything here, convert this object to editable poly, then open this 3 triangle, click the edge, I click this one, then click ring. I will delete, no, I will change it to polygon. I press Ctrl button and click this one, so it is now on polygon mode. Now I delete entire polygon, then I click the border and choose this border, both of these 2 borders, and then go bottom to the bottom here, click bridge. One more again, we click edge, click the one of the edge, and click ring here, Ctrl and click the polygon, Then we apply again the unwrap UVW for the bottom for these polygons. Then we open UV editor, flatten mapping, click OK. We have it like this now. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the next step is we can do it this way. For example, we can select this part and place it here. Doesn't matter how we position it, just for to make it easy, I just do it this way. Or we can redo it again. Let's select all of this and we can choose this one, cylindrical map, and then we open the UV editor again. Let's see, it is placed like this automatically, and choose again this coin texture, switch to this polygon mode, and we can resize it. Resize it this way. Okay, and for this part, okay, we are done. We convert this object to editable poly, and let's rotate it. This way. Let me turn on this one, angle snap toggle. Oh, yes, I rotate it 90 degrees this way, and yes, that's all. This is our coin. Low poly 3D low poly cartoon style golden coin, or whatever you call it. Let's export this object as an FBX file. Let me copy the location of this folder. Then here I choose file, export, and export selected. I paste it here and press enter. Then I name it 3D coin with FBX format. Click save, and we are done. Now we can use this FBX file on our game in Unity, for example. Okay, that's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.